Silent night, holy night, round yon virgin mother and child.
Hello everyone! Now that the company Christmas parties are coming up, I'd like to create a very bold Christmas party look. I also want to start a series of looks dedicated to a few of my friends and their requests. Today's look will be dedicated to Ada. Hi Ada! First phase is hydration. Remember, it's very important to hydrate your face before you use any makeup so that it looks good on you, especially in winter time when the weather's windy and very cold. I use LANCOME Advanced Genifique, LANCOME Genifique Creme Activatrice de Jeunesse, Estee Lauder Day Eye Cream on my lips, Nuxe Paris Rêve du Miel. Now that my face is hydrated enough, I'm going to use Luminous Soap Foundation by GIORGIO ARMANI. I always like my base to be very light because I don't need that much of foundation, so I'm just gonna put little dots here on my nose. I need more underneath the eyes, and I have some spots here, maybe on the chin. And yes, that is it. I don't use any concealer underneath my eyes, or I don't use any contouring sticks. I will just set the face with the powder to prevent any leaking of makeup or foundation going into the creases. I'm going to apply the pencil all over my lid using Tom Ford 01 Espresso and this matcha brush. If you need, you can use more of the pencil and smudge it again with the brush to create this kind of shape. Now that everything is smoked out, I will use this palette, which is my Christmas palette from MAC, Burgundy Times 9 eyeshadow 9, and I want to use this color here, which looks very Christmassy for me. Apply that generously on my lid and then try to refine all the edges. And I will take a little smoky brush and use this color here and just use here in the crease. I will also use this color, the goldish one, using again my finger and tap it in the middle again very lightly. And finally, from the palette, I will use this color with this kind of brush to put some color in the inner corner and apply a thick layer of eyeliner, starting from the outer corner and trying to blend in with a little flick. Not that much. I really like to use this eyeliner gel because when I am using it on top of eyeshadow, it kind of blends because of its creamy consistency. It doesn't dry out, but it just kind of blends with everything in. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes and use again CLARINS Wonder Perfect Mascara to give it a little bit of volume, but that will be it. I'd like to add a little bit of reddish color in the outer corner of the lower lash where the waterline is, using Chanel You Waterproof color Eros, and just tap a little bit in the corner to kind of connect your lower with upper lash, and then also use very little of the mascara, and then just go like this, only in the outer part. And if by any chance using the mascara you make any mistake, your best friend is the cotton bud. You can use it on top just to remove the dot a little bit, just very slightly, and then apply again the color on top. For the brows, again, I like to keep them very natural and neutral. So I'm just gonna brush them, and then I will use the DIOR brow styler Stylo brow pencil, and I also want to use the highlighter from this palette, which is these colors here. And because this is a Christmas look, and Christmas is all about red, burgundy and gold and silver glitter, so I would like to use the goldish one, this one here, and just apply it on my finger. I will actually take more of the reddish color and add it on the waterline. And then I will take this brush and add more of this color.
Silent night, holy night.
And then use the blender brush. Just smoke it out. It's time for the lips, and I will use the Givenchy Paris number 5. And I will apply it on my lips. The LANCOME Paris Juicy Rouge 134. And I want to use another color, Givenchy number 6, and then try to contour on top. I'd also like to give a little bit of definition by adding the lip liner in the corners. DIORSKIN Mineral Nude Bronzer, applying all over my face to have that healthy glow. And lastly, I want to use this warm color for my cheeks. And this is mine, and it could be your Christmas party look as well. And as for the hair, I'll go for the sleek hairstyle to emphasize your sophisticated look.